But you also have what's called a unique employment position, right? Your unique employment position is going to be something that they can't get anywhere else. Here's their pain working at other shops. Here's how I make that pain go away. So let's talk about some different areas that you can go through with this. You got compensation. You could be better at compensation. It could be the benefits, the conditions, your reputation, the training. This becomes a differentiation strategy. We have a webinar in PBG called Creating Your Benefit Statement. And what you got is you got a differentiation strategy. So what you're going to do in all your advertising, identify the pain, show how you solve it. Identify the pain, show how you solve it. You want to use it everywhere.